The Sheintan Ridge View is a hidden pearl almost only the locals know. The place is also known by locals as Tagaytay. If you go on a clear evening, you will be rewarded with amazing views of the sea and nearby Siquijor Island and the southern tip of Cebu Island.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the
Sheintan Ridge View is a good place to visit with 20 peso entrance fee. It's good for leisure, dating, camping and more. A nice hot and cold drink with variety of flowers around, which you can buy as well, and a few tables in the garden to chill.
sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. The ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. Keeps me high. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. Keeps me high.
They also have a view deck for you to enjoy the entire view from the top, and its fantastic platform for flying a drone. The Sheintan Ridge View has fabulous views that will make your short stay a pleasant one. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.